Welcome to this new training video. In this lesson, you'll learn how to organize your processes more effectively using categories in HEFLO. In this section, we'll quickly show how to link your process to a category for better organization. Let's use the same process we modeled in the previous lesson. In the process properties, scroll down to find the category field. By clicking here, you can view all existing categories available in your workspace. Let's select an existing category, for example, Human Resources. In this part, we'll show how to create a custom category. This helps tailor your organization to fit your needs. You can also create a new category by clicking the plus icon. You'll be redirected to a form where you can define the name, color, and icon. Let's create a new category called Administration. We'll choose a color and an icon that matches the category. Click Confirm to save. Your process is now automatically linked to this new category. Next, let's explore how to manage your categories. You'll see how to edit, archive, and restore them as needed. To manage all your categories, click the eye-shaped icon and click on Diagrams. Then go to Categories. This page allows you to view, edit, archive, or create new categories. Let's archive the category operations. It disappears from the active list, but can be viewed by enabling archived items. To restore it, just open its properties and click Restore. Using categories helps structure your process library and makes searching easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.